Low-code Minds presents Intelligent Debt Management Framework, which is a customizable framework accelerator enabling to orchestrate interdependent processes for small to large commercial debts. What you're seeing here is the application, which is basically addressing few of the key challenges. For example, like a need for real-time customer data to understand the propensity to pay, or need to understand what are the bad debts or what are the total recoveries which is made during the entire life cycle of the debt management system. Now, current situation in the industry is that there are limited operations and IT teams, and they are being burdened with a huge number of debt cases because of the pandemic. So this application will help them speeden up the process and make them focus on the recoveries rather than on the manual and laborious task of sending a letter before action manually or doing each of the debt management processes individually rather than using easy methods, for example, sending it via CCBC in bulk. So this application will not only enable them to perform application processes smoothly, but will also enable them to go via a workflow wherein we have automated emails, automated escalations, automated alerts being given, or deadlines, and also we have reassign functionality, and also we can go through each of the matter individually, and we can perform actions, different actions in terms of sending documentation, parties, add notes, and audits as well. What you're seeing here on the screen is basically the entire flow from the client to debtor to light KYC to letter before action, litigation, settlements, and then the costs. So the overall framework is built in such a way that it is scalable and it is very easy to use for the fee earners. As we come to the debtors directly, what you can see here is we can upload the debtors for a specific client very quickly and very efficiently. As we know the client number or client, we can search with the client and we can just directly upload the debtors, and we will be able to view the list of all the debtors which we want to upload here. So let's say if a client provides us with all the debtors, we can directly click on upload. When you do a view, you are going to view all the debtors list here. So you can see this is all done with a simple click, and once you submit, they will create all the matters for against each of the client. So Npower will have additional another 10 matters associated to them now. So all of them will be available to the user for editing. So this is how each of the matters or the progression of the case will take place, and also you can see on the dashboard the fee earner will be able to view the outstanding amounts, the matters based on their stages, and also the recoveries, bad debts, and if also promised to pay or outstanding matters which are existing today. We also have the reports feature wherein the fee earners, or it could be the operations team, or it could be the client portal, or basically the client details which we would like to view for the client as well, would be available for them to export the details and send it to the client. What you're seeing here is basically an application which enables the debt collectors to perform very efficiently and in such a manner that the debt management processes or the cases can be handled at a very short span of time.